Puff puff is one of the most popular snacks in Nigeria. This is because it has a spicy taste, a chewy texture, and also a sweetening taste. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make homemade puff puff. Now let's get right into the process. In a bowl, go with 3 cups of flour, 3 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of salt, half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of yeast. Now give that a stir to allow all the ingredients combine together. Next, you're going to go in with your roughly blended pepper and onions. Give that also a stir. A lot of people like adding the pepper and onions after proving or right before frying the batter, but I like adding mine when mixing all other ingredients together. Next step, we are going to go in with warm water. You don't want the water to be too hot or too cold. This is because you want to activate the yeast, and it depends on the type of yeast you are using. Either it is instant dry yeast or active yeast, but I'm using instant dry yeast. So you want to go in with the water little by little because you don't want your batter to be too runny or too thick. Now you want to mix the batter until it is nice and stretchy. You can use your hands, but I prefer to use a whisk instead. You can do this the traditional way by beating batter against the bowl. This activates the gluten, gives you a very smooth batter and also a very soft puff puff after frying. Next, you want to cover and allow to proof for at least 30 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, your batter should have doubled in size and it should look light and airy. This is the time to heat up some oil while you gently fold the batter in to release any air bubbles trapped inside the batter and to make sure your puff comes out looking nice and round. To test if your oil is ready, you can scoop a little bit of the batter inside the oil. Once it comes up naturally, like 5 to 10 seconds, your oil is ready. Now you want to stir continuously to allow all sides of the puff to cook evenly and to achieve that golden brown look. Once it is ready, scoop onto a basket or a paper towel to drain the oil. This came out looking so nice and delicious. Would you be trying out this recipe? Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye.